Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
Vroom, vroom.
It's a bright sunny day by the lake and all the toys are having so much fun.
Oh no!
Oops! And a little red toy truck slips and splashes right into the lake.
Oh no! It's sinking!
We have to save it!
It's too late!
But wait! The brave little police car hears the call and speeds off to help. On the way, he meets the strong yellow transport truck. Let's go together! Zoom, zoom! Off they go! Working as a team to rescue the toy! Look! A tiny toy wheel is floating on the water. That must be it!
Don't worry! We'll save your toy!
The police car shouts, "Don't worry! We're here to save your toy!" The transport truck lowers a glowing rescue ramp into the lake. Beep, beep! The police car helps line it up just right. Haha! A silly rubber duck floats by. So funny. Now, the truck lowers its magic magnet arm into the water. Ready? Down below, the red toy truck is stuck in the muddy lake weeds. The magnet grabs the truck and slowly pulls it up. Go! 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 Yay! The kids are cheering. The truck is coming out of the water. The toy truck is placed on the ramp. Shake, shake, dry it off. The police car blinks and says,
Rescue mission success! Thank you, my friends! Lines!
the children run in, clapping and hugging their toy with big smiles. Bump! The police car and truck high-five their tires. Teamwork! Whoa. A toy fish jumps out and squirts water. Splash.
We did it!
Hooray!
This is the best day ever!
The lake is calm again. Everything looks peaceful and bright. Look! Colorful balloons float into the sky. What a happy ending. Thanks for watching. See you later.